Hello everyone, I'm Zahra. We are in MM14 week 1. In this video I want to show you how I go through my profile and see different features in my profile. First of all, it's on the top right corner you see my profile photo and name beside it. When I hover the mouse over it, this menu opens and I see different features. For example, this is my name, my preferences, and what are preferences? User, my profile, and then I can edit my profile here. I can change my password, send messages to other people, and go to different blogs and see my badges. Also, messages are accessible here, and I can add private files, go to forum posts and discussions. I can access my grades, course grades, badges. I can log out here and receive help. So let's see what we can find here. If I click on my name, let's see. My photo is here and my profile is available here. Oops, different badges from previous courses. I can edit my profile directly from here. I can go to blog entries. I can check notes, my certificates, forum posts, different forum posts and discussions I have already posted, and learning plans, and also different reports on browser sessions, grades, overview, and my grades. Login activities. It shows my login activities. First access to site, for instance, mobile app, and different badges, and also different general information is available here. I can go to edit profile from this part, or let's see how we can access this edit profile from the link preferences. We can go to users and see user preferences, or go to edit profile directly from this part. Let's first of all go to user. Again, the link of editing profile is available there. User account. I can also edit my profile from this link and go to each of these items. Blogs, repositories, badges, portfolios, and miscellaneous things. Okay, let's just go to profile, edit my profile. As you see, there are some general information about me here, my name, surname, and some of them have this red icon, which means these are required fields. I have to write something in these parts. And then email display, we can select who can see and view our email address, my city, my town. Select the country. I have already selected my country, Iran. And time zone, it's very important to keep track of the dates and the time when we want to participate in upcoming events. For example, live meetings. For instance, in live meetings we see that there is a time beside it, and I want this time to be in my time zone. So I come to this menu and choose my own time zone from the variety of time zones around the world. Okay, and then it is my profile description. I have introduced myself here. I may want to make some slight changes in it and add or edit something. And then user picture. I want to change my picture, for instance. So let's first of all delete it. Update it and see if you can see my photo anymore. As usual, my connection is low at this time of the day. Okay, as you see here, my profile photo is missing, so let me go back to, oh yes, that's here, edit profile and add a new photo. I come here, I can drag and drop one photo here or click on this file, add a file to this. Oops. Yes, I can add a file from each of these sources or choose a file from my desktop. Okay, let's add this file, upload it, and see if we can see my profile photo here. Okay, it is uploaded here. Update profile. I can add some picture description or leave it as it is. Good. I'm here again. Okay. After editing my profile, I want to see preferred language. You know, Moodle supports a variety of languages, around more than 70 languages. I would prefer it to be English because the course is provided in English, but Farsi, my first language, is also supported by Moodle and I love it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, foreign preferences. We can go to foreign preferences to choose whether we want to receive email, digest email or complete email, or just subjects of email after any person sends posts on a forum and become subscribed to them, and also when we can track something and whenever somebody posts on any forum, we can the number appears, the number of 100 messages appear beside that in a highlight way in this part, and also we can just see whether the posts are read after sending notification. Okay. Then editor preferences. When we want to type a message, the message box opens in front of us, and the editor has got 4 formats. The plain format just allows you for typing and copy pasting. The default editor allows you for copy pasting and many other features, but not complete. For example, we do not have access to font families and font size. These two HTML ones do not allow us easily to copy paste, and we need to open a window to copy paste, and I will show it later, but they allow us to use colors, to use different features, font families and font sizes. Okay, there are a variety of features and preferences here. Let's go to message preferences, whether we want to receive and send messages. And for example, with regard to the privacy, we can restrict who can send us message, my contacts only, or my contacts and anyone in my courses. And also we can choose whether we want to receive email or mobile notifications when we receive a message. Okay, I think it's enough about our user account. We can also go to blog preferences and, for example, choose what the number of entries per page. We can see external blogs and register an external blog. We can go to repositories and manage different instances, go to portfolios, configure portfolios, and transfer likes from different posts to portfolios. We can go to badges, at the end of every week if we have completed the tasks, we receive badges. Let's see how we can manage our badges. Okay, now these are the badges here. I can manage them in the way that whether I want them to be added to a backpack, that is an external website in which I can collect my badges. If I want to download it and save it in my computer, or keep it as private or public. But what is that backpack? Backpack setting. As I mentioned, backpacks like Mozilla Backpack Open badges are external sites that we can save our badges there. I am already connected, but let's see how you can connect to a backpack. First of all, you should enroll in a backpack, for example, Mozilla backpack. Let me okay, as you see, I have already signed up for it. Now I am disconnected. In order to connect to the backpack, the URL of the backpack must be typed here, and because it is supported by Moodle, you see it here, the URL of the backpack. I do not need to go there and copy and paste it there. It is already there, and I need just to type my email address. And connect to backpack. Let's see what happens. Okay. It says verification pending. So it has sent me an email. I go to my, oh yeah, this one. I go to my email address. In order to confirm and activate, I click here. And now everything is okay and I'm connected. So when I am connected, I can go back to my badge preferences and select if I want to send these badges to the backpack. So let's see what else we have here. Messaging is available here as well, as I mentioned, but this time we can search, we can send messages for other people from here, and again we can access our badges here. Now let's send one of them to a backpack. And wait. Okay, send it. Okay, since I am here logged in, it just sends and I say thank you, but and let's see if it appears here. Yes, it's here, but in case I'm not logged in, it shows my username and password, and then I can log in and send the badge to the backpack. Okay, and there's also private file here. I can drag and drop some files and save them here, and I can log out here. My grades are also available. Courses I'm taking, yes, I might be taking or teaching a course. And as you see, there are a lot of items here and you can use them perfectly. Thank you so much and have a nice time.